इन्फोमा मार्केट्स इन इंडिया द्वारा भारत की प्रमुख सुरक्षा एवं अग्नि प्रदर्शनी सेफ वेस्ट इंडिया की मुंबई के बॉम्बे एग्जीबिशन सेंटर में शुरुआत हुई। 9 से 11 मई 2024 के बीच आयोजित ये प्रदर्शनी उद्योग जगत के दिग्गजों, सरकारी अधिकारियों एवं अन्य प्रतिभागियों को ऐसा मंच प्रदान करेगी जहां उन्हें औद्योगिक सुरक्षा क्षेत्र के अवसरों एवं चुनौतियों पर चर्चा करने का मौका मिलेगा। सेफ वेस्ट के दौरान कमर्शियल सुरक्षा एवं निगरानी से जुड़े समाधानों एवं रुझानों की व्यापक रेंज पेश की जाएगी, जिन्हें निवारक तकनीकों और इनोवेशंस के साथ पश्चिमी भारत के बाजार के लिए तैयार किया गया है। सीसीटीवी, सर्विलांस, बायोमेट्रिक्स, एंट्रांस ऑटोमेशन, एक्सेस कंट्रोल, जीपीएस, वाईफाई राउटर, आरएफआईडी, स्पायर कैमरा, पीओई स्विच, पावर सप्लाई और सीसीटीवी केबल में विशेषज्ञ ब्रांड इस प्रदर्शनी में हिस्सा ले रहे हैं। सेफ वेस्ट इंडिया 2024 के उद्घाटन समारोह में हिस्सा लेने वाले गणमान्य दिग्गजों में शामिल थे संजीव तिवारी, एआरवीपी, एएसआईएस वेस्ट इंडिया रीजन, संदीप सब्रवाल, असिस्टेंट वाइस प्रेसिडेंट कॉर्पोरेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, आदित्य बिरला मैनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन प्रा. लिमिटेड, विजय गोयल, उपाध्यक्ष, ट्रेड एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, प्रोफेसर अमोल देशमुख, पुलिस एवं साइबर एडवाइजर, गृह मंत्रालय, महाराष्ट्र सरकार, योगेश मुद्रास, मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर, इन्फोमा मार्केट्स इन इंडिया, पंकज जैन, सीनियर ग्रुप डायरेक्टर और डिजिटल हेड, इन्फोमा मार्केट्स इन इंडिया।
Sitting next to him is Colonel Sandeep Sabharwal ji, who is Corporate Head Security, Aditya Birla Group. And next to him is Pankaj Jain, who is a Senior Group Director at Inform Markets India, and also the Digital Head. We are also going to be joined by Mr. Professor Amol Deshmukh, who is Police and Cyber Advisor, Department of Home, Government of Maharashtra shortly. So just thank you first of all for joining us here today. I think the reason for this entire event is it's an event which is to do with all the commercial security products, which will include all the CCTV, access control, biometrics, GPS, boom barrel, everything which goes to within the commercial security domain in India. This is our launch, the second edition of this event, which we launched last year. This started for our connections and Inform Markets in India with security portfolio started 16 years back when we launched IFSEC in India in Delhi, and it has already done 16 editions. That's the largest security show in South Asia. Then we moved to Chennai, where we launched the South India edition of this show called Safe South. And now when we identified there is a need for this vertical in Mumbai and the Western India, we launched this show last year. So this year the show is we have received a great support from all the leading domestic and international brands who are present at this show this year. There are about over 75 brands which are exhibiting some of the most innovative state-of-the-art technologies in the commercial security domain. We have a conference which is going to take place, which has over 40 eminent speakers of this industry talking over 12 different sessions about what are the challenges of this industry and what are the trends in this industry. Some very insightful topics. talking about artificial intelligence and different new verticals in this domain. And of course, I think we are expecting over 5,000 trade business visitors to come in. This is a trade show, so this is not a consumer show. So there will be 5,000 business visitors who will come in, and definitely they are going to place big orders over here. And all these innovative products which you are seeing in this exhibition are going to be out in the market very soon. I will pass on the mic to each of our panelists. They will say a few words how they are associated with the show, about their company, and how they about the security domain, and then finally we'll open the floor for questions for all the media. So over to you, Ashish.
Yeah. Hi, as sir has introduced, I'm Ashish P. Dakan, Managing Director and CEO of Prama and Prama Equation India Private Limited. And we are associated with Informa Market since there, I think, started their first IPSEC since 2008, sir? 2007, yeah. So I started from 2007 onwards, and it is almost like 17 odd years. And, we are partnered with them in almost each and every shows. Chennai, we are there. And this is second edition of SAFE West at Mumbai. And, I wish great success to SAFE always. At Prama, we are like making India visions of government of India, having manufactured products in India, having R&Ds in India. It is like make for India, made in India, made for made by India. So these are with the philosophies and vision. We are just going ahead and trying to contribute level our best for contributing for Indian society. And we wish good luck to this SAFE West and all of the visitors and exhibitors. Thank you very much.
So Raji.
Good morning, everyone. I am Colonel Sandeep Sabharwal. I am from Aditya Birla Group, and I look after the security of various manufacturing units which are there in Pan India. As you all must be aware that Aditya Birla Group has one of the oldest group in the field of industries, especially manufacturing, with the products like Ultratech Cement, Hindalco, Grasim, textile, chemicals. Now we have come into paints also. So, and we have got more than 100 plus manufacturing units pan India. So, though we have got a dedicated security team, chief security officer at each manufacturing unit, but I sitting in the corporate office, I keep advising them whatever is there in the latest in the industry, how things are improving. And IPSEC and exhibition expo like these, they help us to come and know what latest is coming into the market, so that we can introduce the same in our plants and units to further strengthen the security. Thank you. And I wish IPSEC and Mark Informa all the best for their expo in West. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sabharwalji. Over to Professor Amol Deshmukh, who is Police and Cyber Advisor, Government Department of Home, Government of Maharashtra.
I'm very happy to join this event. As I discussed that from 1 July, the three acts are getting replaced: IPC, CRPC, and Indian Evidence Act. So the new act has given a lot of importance to digital evidence, and especially they are guaranteeing for the national security, homeland security, securing the assets of people in India. So I think this technology is definitely going to help, and there are a lot of things now. You can see that the National Crime Record Bureau data, which there is a rise in crime also, and there is a good thing is that technology is solving a lot of crime. They are helping law enforcement agency, and such event where there is an integration of different security technology, fire technology, and cyber technology. It is definitely going to help help nation to get more secure, and definitely we are going to achieve the $30 trillion economic goal by securing our own assets.
Thank you.
Ashish ji is the manufacturer side. He provides technology. Sir is the user of technology. So he will give you the user perspective of how technology is helping businesses. And then sir is from the policy side, government present here.
Okay, anything if you have to add about the show, anything about it?
Is that, through you we want the awareness to spread. You know, every security is something that is required by everybody, right? So, you know, more and more people should get to know about the event, because, you know, it's not just the enterprise or the corporates who need security. You need security in your homes, you need security everywhere, right? So we will want more, you know, industry people, users to come and visit the show, and that is the purpose of the event. Thank you.
As Pankaj rightly said, I think we are in the most prominent business region of this country, Western India, and so much corporate and that security need. I think for me, I think the biggest need which is driver is the government projection. They are looking to make the cities, the state secure. So there are a lot of investments happening in this city, in this state, even in adjoining states like Gujarat, Karnataka. So we have visitors coming from all the states: Gujarat, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, even Rajasthan. So they are all coming in and they are going to see this, and so that is the key driver. The government policy is receiving on this. As the sector itself is growing. This is what about $4 billion sector which was there till 2022, which is going to be a $13 billion sector just for CCTVs alone. By I would say by 2029 is what is expected. That's a 17% growth. So that amount of orders are expected to come in. That amount of investments are expected to happen. So that is the key. The Western India, as we all know, is the biggest business market in this country. So I think this is something which was the reason why we brought this show here.
My question is to the stakeholder. So how is the AI and the IoT technologies the latest given the opportunities for the stakeholders?
Yeah, I think.
Development.
Yeah, so you know, recent technologies of AI and IoT are adding lots of values. Okay, definitely it is like earlier CCTV was just for security purpose, but now because of AI and IoT, now you know it is become like information, video as and content information. Okay, and it can just analyze, and you can use the AI and IoT tools on that and analyze and give more business intelligence information. For example, if I give example of retail shops. Earlier retail shops, just for shoplifting was for that protection they used to install cameras. But now the cameras is not only helping shoplifting, but it is also helping the retail outlet people that know how many people are coming to, what is the footfall. It can give count of the people. It can give gender detection. It is a male, female, and by video content analysis it can give. It can also give are they which age group. What is their behavior when they are looking at the shows, or which shelf is moving more, where they are standing more longer period of time, which shelf they need to do merchandising. This sort of value additions now, video as an information just adding. So security becoming more and more smarter using artificial intelligence and AIoTs, and a rightly usage of that will add lots of values and give lots of good business intelligence information in coming years.
This year 30% more visitors you said will be seen in this. So how many new companies are added this year?
So that's it. There are 75 brands which are here in this company, in this show, and I think the market leading brands are all here. If I say right here, Equision, Brahma, we have the CP Plus, we have all the big, the ZK Ticos, they're all the big companies in this space. They're all here in the show. So for me, the main part is the brands reposing faith, they understanding this market, the need of the hour, so that is how it will grow. This is how we are seeing. This is how any show grows in terms of adding value through brands. The big brands come in, it means that the show is really worth it. So that's something which is happening for this season.